today is the 17th of November 2020. Here's, oh, one moment please. I'll start from here again. Yeah, today is the 17th of November 2020. This is Mannilantie 11 Stekes V. The last stake is to be filmed in this residential building. Here today on the 17th of November 2020. It's got 4 floors. And it was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1975. Turning 45 years old this year in 2020, and the serial number is VS4107. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 kilograms. Only 4 floors, and all the 4 staircases have elevators.
Yeah.
I've been into all of them. Pretty amazing.
Spektiittaakin vain, pitää meidän temppaa Suomen hissiurakoin.
Yeah, bad maintenance, but still keeping them original.
Yeah.
Back to the ground floor. In this case it's K, or street level. Katutaso. Yep. So that's it. We're renovating the bathrooms here, that's why it's so noisy.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Let's go.
That's